Ready to up your productivity game? In episode 12 of Virtual Assistants for Dummies, we are diving into Google Workspace, your new best friend for documents, spreadsheets, and cloud storage. Join me, Sridhar, and Lavanya as we make this tech talk simple, smart, and super useful. Hello and welcome to another episode of Virtual Assistants for Dummies. I'm your host, Murty, and today we are diving into the world of Google Workspace, covering Docs, Sheets, and Drive. Joining me are our regulars, Sridhar, the top-tier virtual assistant who makes everything look easy, and Lavanya, the curious learner who asks all the right questions. Welcome back, both of you.
Thanks, Murty. Always a pleasure to be here.
Hi, Murty and Sridhar. I'm excited to learn something new today.
Let's start with the basics. Sridhar, for someone new to Google Workspace, what's the biggest advantage?
Great question, Murty. Google Workspace is an ecosystem designed for seamless collaboration. Whether you're working solo or with a team, tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive allow you to create, edit, and store documents in real time. And the best part? It's all in the cloud, accessible from anywhere.
That sounds convenient. But how does it compare to traditional software like Microsoft Office?
Well, Lavanya, one key difference is the collaboration feature. In Docs, for instance, multiple people can edit the same document simultaneously. No emailing versions back and forth. Plus, Drive acts as a central storage hub, syncing across devices automatically.
That's impressive. Speaking of Docs, can you walk us through its features, Sridhar?
Sure. Google Docs is perfect for creating text documents, with features like voice typing, commenting, and version history. For virtual assistants, it's a game-changer, whether drafting emails, reports, or even project proposals.
Voice typing. That's new to me. Is it accurate?
Surprisingly accurate, and it saves a lot of time. Just enable it from the Tools menu.
Let's talk about Sheets. How does it help with data management?
Google Sheets is a powerhouse for spreadsheets. It handles everything from simple tables to complex calculations using formulas. Virtual assistants often use it for data tracking, analysis, and even creating dashboards.
I find spreadsheets intimidating. Any beginner tips?
Start small, Lavanya. Play with templates. They have pre-designed layouts for budgeting, to-do lists, and more. And don't shy away from exploring formulas like sum and lookup. Google Sheets has a help section that's very user-friendly.
Lastly, Drive. Why is it so central to Workspace?
Drive is your digital filing cabinet. It stores all your files, docs, sheets, slides, images, and more. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with the rest of Google Workspace, making file sharing and collaboration a breeze.
Can I organize my files with folders?
Absolutely. You can create folders, add color codes, and even use shortcuts for quicker access. Pro tip: use the Shared with Me section to track files others have shared with you.
That's all we have time for today. Sridhar, Lavanya, thanks for making this topic so easy to understand.
My pleasure, Murty.
Thank you. Can't wait to start exploring Google Workspace.
Listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Until next time, this is Murty, signing off from Virtual Assistants for Dummies. Stay productive.